Alright, tell us when. Now? Alright, we are opening the beehive for the first time since the 8th of April. What are we looking for, Henry? You're right.
King.
The queen, and if she is
Laying eggs.
laying eggs. So that is our goal, and first time, let's see how it goes. Alright, so this is our sugar water. Let's see. Ooh, they didn't take much of that. They didn't take much, but it's been cool the last couple nights. Down in the 40s degrees Fahrenheit, I guess.
You want me to do this?
Alright, so I'm gonna set this. Hold on, Henry, hold on. Don't go out. So I'm gonna set this down on the side like that. Oh, here, you do it. Just watch yourself. There you go. Alright, just enough to. And then we gotta crack the lid. See if the lid's glued on there. So just put this over here so we don't drop it. Handy dandy tool. See that? Oh no, that was easy. Let's see here. We got some here. Ooh, there's a lot of moisture in this. That's not good.
A lot of bees.
A lot of moisture. That's not good. We gotta figure out why there's moisture going in there. All right, here, hold on. So, that bee. Oh, sorry, Henry. All right, so let's put this over here. Let's take these.
Daddy, I see honey.
You see honey? Oh, that's pollen. They haven't even started on all this. That's an empty frame. They haven't even started on this one. Dang. Alright, this one is the one that we got help with. But, oh, whoa. It looks like they're destroying it. They're building new comb before. Yeah, they're destroying the heck out of it. So I might just take this one out totally and get rid of it. Not rid of it, but.
Dad, you have to see this one.
Hold on, Henry. So we're gonna look for the queen.
Mommy, are you on your phone?
I don't see the queen on
Mommy,
this frame.
Dad,
Hold on.
come here.
Yeah. Show him
You
that.
can go in here.
That's called a cluster, Henry.
Custard. A lot of bees are on it.
So they're building comb on this one. Let's move that one. That's a fresh comb that they're building.
A lot of bees.
We're not gonna pull that one out. Saw someone make the mistake on that on YouTube. Let's pull this one out. Ooh, yeah, that one's pretty heavy. Ooh, that is heavy.
There's a lot of bees.
Oh, there's a lot of, oh, there's the queen.
Wait, I want to see.
No, that's not the queen. It's a big drone. This is where all my sugar water is going.
Yeah, you have to pull this one
Hold on. They're building new comb over top of this old comb. A lot of it's full of honey or sugar water, but I do not see the queen on this one.
I think you will see it on one of them.
I think the queen be on this one here. So that one's a heavy frame. This is a heavy frame too. Oh man.
Stop. Yeah, no, bees on that one.
This is a lot of sugar water.
You have a normal heavy one.
I don't see queen on this one.
Well, maybe did you remember that one?
Hold on. Yeah, you see all this liquid? I don't know if you can zoom in, but that's all the sugar water that they've been putting in to these frames.
Oh, it's an egg.
No, there's no eggs in this
Oh,
one.
right there.
No. I don't see the queen on this one either. Man. Alright, this is a new frame. This is the frame that was empty on the 8th when I put these bees in. So this was empty on the 8th. So this is all new comb. I do not see the queen yet. Ooh, don't want to do that.
Daddy, open this in on myself.
Yeah. So I don't see the queen on this one. But I'll come back and look. On the other side, I'm not going to twist this one since I'm doing frameless foundations or foundationless frames. I'm not going to turn that one side to side because I've seen a couple YouTube videos where they have fallen and it was a nightmare. Let's see here.
Oh, there she is.
Oh, there she is. She's underneath all those.
Oh, you need a bee buffer?
There she is. You see her?
No, I don't.
There's the queen. She looks pretty. She's healthy. She's big. Right there.
Yeah, I see.
I do not see any eggs yet. Which is kind of depressing. I was hoping I could see a couple eggs.
Let me bust. I have a bust.
But the queen's back on this side. Where did she go?
You need bust. Oh, what do?
Right where?
What do?
Nope, she fell. She fell off the frame. That's not good. Come on. There, she's back on. There she is. So she's right there. She's not marked, so I'm going to mark her next time with, she's looking places to lay. I don't see any eggs, so I'm going to put this back in.
Now is this going in?
And put that back in there. So I didn't see any eggs. Hold on. Let's lift this one up.
No, you want me bust that one?
Hold on. Oh, she is laying eggs. There are eggs in there. Sweet.
Let's see.
I don't know if you can. Ooh, shit. I don't know if you can zoom in, but in these cells, there's little white dots. Those are eggs.
I don't see it.
So I'm gonna put this back in there.
Oh, I didn't see
Come over here, Henry. I'm not gonna flip this around.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm not gonna move this around. So you'll see there's little white dots in there. You see them? You see these little white dots all up in here? You see the little white dots?
Yes.
Those are eggs. So she's laying. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. That's fantastic.
Let me do this.
She's laying in the new frame, so I don't think I might get rid of the old frames. Let them build. This is heavy. I'm talking about heavy. I'll keep that in there. That's a honey frame. I'll put that towards the side of the box because that's nothing but liquid water, sugar water. It's nothing but sugar water. So let me grab this. Oh, the sugar. You got this one. That's nothing but sugar water. This is nothing but gross comb that they're destroying. So I'm going to shake these bees off of this and put these back in and get rid of this comb. All right, Henry, you want to brush them off? Slow, nice and slow, brush them off. There you go. Because they're just destroying this. They're not even building comb on it yet, so they're just destroying this. No, that one's going to keep. So we're going to put this over here and put a new frame in, which is good. So this one is also nothing but honey. So this will go off to the side. Move this one in. Honey frame here. And then move this in the middle along with this one. That's where she's laying her eggs in. Move this one in. Move this one in. And then get this honey one towards the outside. I mean, that is heavy. I would say that's a good probably 10, 15 pounds right there.
Okay, you want me to bust it?
No, probably not 15, but good 5 pounds.
Bust.
Alright, and then put this over here. And put this in here. Well, this is a 10 frame box. Alright, and I'm going to steal a frame from one of these boxes. They're empty for right now. I'm going to put this in here. Alright. Then I'm going to smoke them a little more. So we're laying eggs. She has eggs. She has new comb. And then I don't know where the moisture's coming from, which I gotta figure that one out. This moisture's not good.